cyberbullying is when you specifically target a private citizen with derogatory comments or any sort of mean gesture towards that person over the internet. This could mean a variety of things. It could mean commenting on a post that someone made and saying, "You look ugly," or things like that. Or it could be making a meme about that person and sharing it with all of your friends. Now, when this happens to people, not only do they mentally and emotionally get disturbed by this, but it can affect you physically as well, because that person who's getting attacked might lose sleep, they might lose their appetite, and this can affect them all sorts of different ways. Now, there are things we can do to stop this. The first thing is just don't be mean on the internet. When someone you don't like posts something, just don't comment on it. Just look at it and go on. Don't share. If you get sent a meme of making fun of a private citizen, don't share it with other people. Stop it. And if you feel like you're being cyberbullied, call 1-800-273-8255. That's 1-800-273-8255.